Okay, so just got the headphones a couple days ago. I had a chance to play with them a little bit. The directions are pretty clear. Let's see here. They fit in the case with the earbud cover things in place, which not all of them do. There's a couple different choices here. The sound is excellent. I'm really happy with the sound quality. It does indicate, I don't know if I can get it to do it right now, but it does indicate the battery percentage or the percentage of power that's in here. I find that they fit really well in the ear. The sound quality was definitely good. Obviously, they came with a power cord. That's another thing that I appreciated. But anyway, these are my new favorite wireless earbuds. Thank you.